Hey coaches, Travis here again with the Kingdom Coaching Minute, and I want to talk about Philippians 2 verses 3 and 4, and it says this: don't do stuff with selfish ambition or vain conceit. Think about others. And then in verse 4 it says, don't think about just your interest, but think about the interest of others. And so I want to put that in the framework of recruiting. I think most recruiting looks like this. It's about 90%, especially on a visit when they come on campus, it's about 90% staff, the coaching staff, telling the student athlete and mom and dad about your program, about your academics, about your facilities. And obviously I think it's important to sell your program. I think you got to tell them, I think you got to educate them on what's going on at your school. But I want to propose this, that if you would flip the script a little bit, maybe go 60-40. So 40% talking about your program and 60% not thinking about your own interest, but actually thinking about the interest of them, asking them questions, getting to know them. And I don't mean just questions like, what are you looking for in a school? I'm talking about getting to know them, pouring into them, adding value to them. Here's what happens, I think, oftentimes. They walk off of campus and they don't even know why, but they say things like this: I really like that staff. Like, something's different about that. Like, they just have a good vibe. They have a good feel. And sometimes they won't even be able to articulate why they feel that way. I actually think it happens because you didn't think about your own interest all the time, but actually took an interest in them. And so flip the script on recruiting. Philippians 2, 3, and 4. Don't think about yourself. Everybody's selling the same thing. Everyone's saying the same thing about facilities and schedule and strength and conditioning and academics. Obviously, some people have more to sell than others. But in general, most people are selling the same things. How do you set yourself apart? Like, by being Christ-like and actually taking an interest in them.